Hi, I'm Joe. In this video, we're going to go over the 3 things that the trade pending tool does really well and the 1 thing to watch out for. After you put in your information into the trade pending tool, you'll see this on your screen. First, let's talk about supply. The supply is the number of cars that are in your area that are like your vehicle. The demand is the number of days that your car is likely to stay on the lot. So the faster your car sells, the more dealerships want it. The value to the dealer is a combination of demand, supply, and the other thing that I told you to watch out for, condition. When you take your mouse and hover over each one of these dots, it's going to show you a piece of information about the market and cars that are in your area. So if you hover over this, it will show you the year, the make, and the model, and the miles, the estimated trade value, the estimated retail value, and how far that car is from your location. As you look at this, there's a huge variance of different values. The variance is the condition of the car. That's why every car is worth a little bit different number. I messed up. Son of a gun. Had a good thing going until I ruined it. Hi. Nope. That was a little bit more forceful than I wanted it to be. Okay, it's probably good, right? Maybe.